Hey guys, today I am working to replace the intake manifold on my KTM 300 XEW. This goes between the engine and the carburetor. And the reason I'm doing that is because mine is currently dry rotted and I'm concerned that eventually it might actually start leaking air through it. So I want to go ahead and replace it now, and I'll show you how that's done. For this job, you'll need a flat-headed screwdriver, an 8mm box-end wrench, a 1/4-inch ratchet, 1/4-inch extension, and an 8mm socket. So here you can see the boot on the bike right here. It sits between the carburetor and the block of the engine. And you can see how it's all dry rotted along here. It's even worse on the back side. I'll show you that once I have it pulled out. But in order to do this job, we're going to have to pull out the carburetor. And then there's 4 bolts, one on each corner. And those just need to come out and the whole thing pulls out from there. So here is the old intake manifold. As you can see, there's a ton of cracks here along the edges, which don't look bad until you pry down on it and you really start to see how deep those cracks really are. And that happens because this part is exposed to a lot of heat sitting right next to the engine. It's also exposed to a lot of dry air here in California. So naturally the rubber parts are going to dry out, they're going to crack, and eventually that's going to cause unmetered air to flow into the engine and cause the bike to run lean. So you definitely want to replace this part long before it ever gets to that point, because that could cause your bike to seize up and you'll have to do a top end or worse. Alright, so I've got the hose clamp on the top from the old intake manifold, and putting it in is just exactly the opposite of taking it out. I'm going to put these 4 screws back in here, line it up. Alright, there you have it. We've got the new intake manifold in place. Everything's looking good. Ready to go riding. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. We'll get to those as soon as we can. Please like this video and also subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see more of our videos, you can see those here as well. Thanks.